mobile number no US number na ne baba ahye we about say any address na wi where omo na telephone number na 503 ne dey kan and area code no ye ko pe address and phone number or test now ye be use obusa say ye pe area code ye be use so the be ya e be link e be synchronize with the address na ye nya no say ye ko pe phone number no ye ko PayPal phone number no da bre na edru so na me di kan che no so na ma we nyina betim le Ghana ha na ma ye obeso use PayPal for Ghana purpose obi ti aka bi ne betim na Ghana na me but me na me say minim say e bia na obeye legitimate business online on other platforms na senti e so you consistent e o kwan kra obetimi atua tax e wo adwuma wo ye wo America so me tua tax obetimi free IRS for America. Their system is so systemized to the extent that foreigners can even pay tax and do business, legitimate business in America with a phone number and a mailing address. Legitimate. Omunim say omanya ne sa nkofo beye no illegitimately. Nti omama kwanyama wetima aye na nkofo na enim but wetima aye legitimate business online our America bra woni America. As I say, ti you copy phone number. Baby you do no phone number na you pay. The phone number na you pay no you go test now and signing up with your Facebook. There be you test na IP no because I have test now on Ghana hanum. What's this now IP now this Facebook BBA Facebook be hu pe obe close to account so because of our ID card and as will be bra and so na be ama long journey. Say information on Facebook when a new ID card so new crash say once you share or ID card no so on few obe close your account because go for hacking go for account be to change your IP address call America na ye behra na fe America na obi abi o Facebook na free America for behalf on behalf of and Facebook for behalf sorry to sign up with email address to a first name yes that's what you take here the M for amane the ama pick a username then ama Chitake okay password it's a last pass be boy and then say bekai say account in the doors feel be kai one password one here unim say password manager how obo use one password e dey be accounts we nyina emwa 1 2 3 4 5 6 PASSWORD crime be din and now mommy din o birthday and you should be that kwa password manager no na who say na obi use password managers shawa obi ni ma che no emiasa icon we so no abe generate na fill password na my email address be ni base ama Chitake uni ma Chitake ya uko email setting up or a video cinema with how to create a email account ama na create .com. Okay, I'm not a robot. When we say robot, create me create an account. So, what China say only robots? Yes, I know up. Or the try to sign up already. I won't pay it. Yes, it's an AI pillar. Unknown error. Please try submitting again. Even because it's contact customer service assistant. They say, IP no. See my app, you say, I'm a Ghana. Because I'm on US phone going on person B accounts no. Inti if I say sign IP now, it be use service me but to bit me use be a cause settings. You me dot me and some way so yeah, I call extensions. Yeah, call more extensions. But me use so holla and I say HOLA free VPN, unlimited free VPN. To add to Chrome. Check it. Add extension. About to Hanum. Am I? Check it. Yeah, but therefore from so account. We use Google Chrome browser, but with me you see Firefox and also browser for BR. Check no. Yes, I try. Back also account. Back on your channel beer. Yes, unlimited free VPN. Holla has been added to your browser, and I bet to handle. You ticket. Ija on a team. Top site in Ghana you can't access. This is a access account via access test now Hanum. Yes, which means access account be anytime we need around to me access or Ghana Hanum. A Facebook the which me access or Ghana. But top site bank for the AUC holla at the access a pie and a touch us. You click it test now social there. Choose your plan free. Use all and don't be a peer. So install or machine as well. Open me away so now install it. Run download complete. Run holla to install holla. Yeah. I mean they use extension and here when extension in na beto Hanuman. And download it. Yeah. And say a bit matter sign IP no. But yensan kohe ba ko foforo bit me use apart from holla. Me use tunnel bands and also bit me use and okade eno na me de bie wo me tablet na me phone so bit me install our phone so as an app. Tell me how or access account be any Ghana Hano. Our phones so and also tablet so tunnel bear and also Baba to Hano. Timu be a bit me you see as a sign IP no. You say IP near tunnel bear and sini. And no bit me a signing up. Create your account no signing up. I will make close it. I'm actually checking at gmail.com. Password needed yanko last password no one generated password my okay. Use create account. Beautiful. A create account na my tools holla on one the area or the area test now. Yeah, share IP. Into I think holla as a sign IP no call US. As I say, automatically no one says I call US. See if you bet me be test now account no. Sign up for free. And they can share IP address is shade. Refresh it. See who say a browser no and a crest IP necessary. I say or how no ma I refresh you about and sign. But our website we inquire yeah IP necessary. That we are browsing from the United States. It's our website we are browsing from the United States. But over other browsers so we are still in Ghana. Just for this website today, we are in the United States. Browsers we are Kenya say over say IP necessary wahanoma kohola over select a country. On one side the United States amount the United States. One say whole versus IP address no cmyip.com website no so my na enya IP for another website. VPNs and free VPNs be ho adwuma so da for say hola access na IP address I will have no mama 6685131991 IP address cry need dey or mind be on IP address hey address eh dey who say on my way different from my way or internet so hey they say hola access na IP address at my website we see my IP no they say your United States Arizona city and say Phoenix. Oh, I will test